Because of this heat that we're dealing with here, everything is temperature. It seems like it's getting over into the hundreds some days. I had to make a makeshift covering with my shade cloth to cover up my plants so they won't burn out. I made another one over here with some of my plants with the T-post. I'm gonna add some PVC pipes over there to kind of make a curve around to bring that middle part in from drooping and support it a little more. But I'm trying to help my plants from dying out from all of this heat. I think it's time for me to harvest some of my bell peppers. Oh Lord, before any of the pests try to take them over. Look at my eggplant there. That's some, oh, I finally have some tomatoes trying to bloom there. See them? Oh boy, it looked like something came in here and ate the tops of my bell pepper off. So that's why I gotta hurry up and get these bell peppers off before the pests get in here and try to attack them. So let me get started harvesting my bell peppers today. Let's see, another one over here I need to get. Where you at? Where you at? Right there. Okay, right there. I see you. Okay, I'm getting ready to get you guys off before like somebody came over and attacked my bell peppers over here, because I had more leaves on here yesterday. So let me get started. I may need to go on and take that eggplant off like it's a big size. So let me go and harvest these bell peppers, and I'll be back and show you what I harvest. Y'all, I had to kill them. Had to kill them. I had to kill them. Look what they did. Look what they did to my bell pepper. Up there was eating my bell pepper. Look at that. Eating my bell pepper up. Then ate up almost all the leaves. Oh, I see. Oh, Lord, I see you. I see you. You trying to hide from me. See, I killed your other friends. I'm getting ready to get you too. Coming over here, eating up my leaves off my bell peppers. Okay, let me get you. I'm getting ready to get you. You think you're gonna stay there and eat some more? No way, not on my bell peppers. Okay, I got those monsters off my bell peppers. Ain't that something? They just gonna come here and just eat the bell pepper up. Look at that. Look how they just came and ate the bell pepper. Ate the bell pepper. Can't grow nothing without pests coming in and attacking your plants. Look at that. They came here, ate my bell peppers, and ate up all the leaves off of it. Oh, I'm a poor bell pepper. I came out this morning and you was all right. They've been eating you up all day. Make sure I don't see no more. I'm gonna have to check all my bell pepper plants. Make sure I don't see any more of those hornworms eating up my bell peppers. Okay, today I have harvested 4 of my bell peppers. They look great. I saved them from them hornworms that was eating up my other bell pepper plant. I'm gonna have to come back out by the end of the week. I should have some more that I can harvest. Gotta get them before the pests eat them up. They looking great. Bell peppers grown in Big Mama's garden.